Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at ONDS stock. Now as of today this one is up by 2.1%. Let's have a speak about this, let's look at everything that we could be seeing going into tomorrow. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so make sure you are doing your own research. Now things standing out to me, first one is that we are holding onto the support. You're seeing numbers around 760, you've seen this back on the 30th of September, now of course seeing this through Friday and coming into today. This does signify a very nice consolidation point over today, and of course it does signify a potential bottom forming with the stock. From here I really am looking for a breakout. We've seen this one touch oversold on Friday. Of course now we are bringing it back up as the stock does begin to neutralize. Levels to look to break above, well initially I'm looking at numbers of course such as 790, we're seeing difficulty there in the early morning of today. You are also seeing 803, $8 potentially, a resistance that we've seen back here. Past that, you could be looking at numbers such as 835. We've seen resistance over Thursday of last week, and again past that, numbers such as 860. Really guys, we want to see this one begin to climb, we want to see a return to the neutral range on the RSI, and I think this is now a perfect position to see it happen. If you do see this one drop out of this range, I'm looking at numbers such as 730 to the downside, and then looking at numbers such as $7, so clearly a very significant milestone to watch out for. However, being up by a further 2% in the after hours, tomorrow certainly could be an interesting day.